Jamie, I wish you all the best in your new life. You're gonna be okay. Wala na kami doon. Your mom is not there for you. You're gonna be on your own, but you're gonna be fine. Be strong. Okay, we're just a phone call away.
Okay.
Okay, take care of this as my gift to you.
Salamat po sa binigay niyo sa akin, Quintas, tsaka Hikaw. Napakaganda. Ingatan po to. Like, ng pag-iingat niyo po sa amin, magkakapatid. Tsaka kay mama. Thank you po.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Love. I don't have much to say, but I guess I would like to say that you have taught that two people can join together with love, respect, and love with each other. I love you so much, and I thank the Lord for giving the love to bond us together. And today, I choose to spend the rest of my life with you. That I promise I will always be by your side through hard times, through good times. That I will be there for you. I will always respect you, and I will always love you. Everything is so much love when I'm with you.
Giancarlo, tinatanggap mo ba ang babaeng ito upang maging asawa, mamuhay ng masagana at tanging sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay?
Yes, Father.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Jamie, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito upang maging asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo at tanging sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay?
Yes po, Father.
And not tomorrow, there's no time to buy.
Mga minamahal na kapatid at kaibigan, tayo ay nagtipon ngayon sa harapan ng ating Diyos at kapulungang ito upang saksihan at ipagdiwang ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Giancarlo at ni Jamie sa isang banal na Kristiyanong kasalan.
Time to borrow.
Unang-una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa Panginoon kasi binigyan niya ako, kaming magkakapatid ng napakabuting magulang. I guess I just really want to say thank you so much, Dad and Mom, dahil nandiyan kayo palagi kahit ano man mangyari para sa amin.
Papasalamat po kay Lord kasi matagal natin magkakilala. Hindi ko akalain na ikaw ay para sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung paano pasalamat sikat dahil binigyan ako ng taong mamahalin ko ng gusto at ikaw yun dyan. Kaya habang buhay kita mamahalin hanggang kamatay. I love you, sir.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. Is a good